Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I will show you something useful in case you need to call the emergency on your phone or on someone else's phone. For example, you haven't got the phone on you, you will need to call the emergency number and the phone has a PIN code and you don't know it. There are two ways for this to do it. So first of all, if you don't know the passcode, what you want to do is swipe down, press power off icon, and you will have this option. Otherwise, you have the second option. Which one is easier for you? You have to press the power button 5 times, one after another. Straight away is going to call the emergency number for you. So let's try it quickly. I don't want to dial the emergency number, I'll cancel it, but just to demonstrate it, I'll show you. 1 2 3 4 5. It didn't work. Quicker, you have to do it quicker. So if you do it quicker, 5 times, one after another, never know, it could be helpful, and that's why I wanted to make this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like and the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.